Hello, friends. We are discussing the content of human rights in previous slides and previous videos. We have seen what exactly do we mean by human rights, all the characteristics and nature of human rights. Whereas in this particular video, we will be discussing the enforcement mechanism of human rights. Okay, so whatever the content we have seen so far, whatever rights and duties we have seen so far, how these things are going to be implemented. Okay, or who is going to implement all these provisions? That's what we are going to discuss in this video. So let's begin one by one. We will check out. First, mechanism. When it comes to mechanism, we will take a review of that. That what exactly we are going to discuss. First amongst them is Human Rights Act of 1993. We will be discussing this one. Then we have judicial organs like Supreme Court and High Court. These are the judicial organs. Human Rights Commission for national as well as state level issues. Then we have commissions of women, children, minority, and SC/STs. We will be discussing this as well. So first, take a look at what exactly do we mean by Human Rights Act of 1993. So this act was passed by the Parliament of India in the year 1993, wherein few provisions were made, okay, and a kind of acknowledgement was given to the international community that whatever treaties we have signed so far, whatever obligations India is having towards international agencies or organizations. So it was a kind of, you can say, a feedback mechanism to that community, wherein we acknowledged and we gave a kind of guarantee that all human rights will be protected and implemented properly in India. Now, India being party to, we can say, multiple international organizations, we have to adopt this Human Rights Protection Act, and we have made provisions for this act in Article 51C of the Constitution of India. And it says that Human Rights Act in 1993, we have enacted all those provisions given under this article or under this provision. So it's all about speedy protection of the human rights and promotion, as well as, can say, expansion of the thinking of human rights. So it's all about, we can say, that whatever human rights are there, those all rights are supposed to be protected by the Constitution. Hence, we can say that we gave a kind of constitutionality. Okay, we gave constitutional backup, constitutional support to human rights. That's what we can make point out of it. Then we have something called as judicial organs, in which we have Supreme Court and High Court. Article 32 deals with this. Then Article 226 deals with High Court. So we all know that whenever any can say fundamental right or any kind of legal right or human right, natural right are violated, people have one last resort to ask for the justice, and that is judiciary of India. People approach judiciary when they are helpless, when they seek justice, and this justice is provided by high courts of different states and Supreme Court of India. So here it is assured that let the government function the way they want, but judiciary will protect human rights of every citizen of this nation. We have something called as Human Rights Commission, which was established immediately after 1993 when this Human Rights Act was passed. So through this act, Human Rights Commission was established, wherein the headquarters is located in New Delhi. And this commission is empowered to inquire either on its own or based on a petition. So here we can say that Human Rights Commission has the power to inquire itself, even if someone is not filing any kind of complaint. But still, Human Rights Commission can take cognizance of its own, and then they can take action against violators of human rights. So this is something where scrutiny is done, where inquiry rights are given to these Human Rights Commission. And these commissions are not established only at national level. These commissions are visible at state level as well. Like in Maharashtra, we have Maharashtra State Human Rights Commission. It was established in the year 2001. The headquarters of this is Mumbai, and jurisdiction is, of course, complete Maharashtra. So wherever you can say any human right is violated, the government of Maharashtra, along with Maharashtra State Human Rights Commission, take note of it, and they may proceed for the action against the violators of Human Rights Commission. Then we have something called as commissions for women, children, minority, SC and STs. So these commissions are also equally important over here. Let's take one by one. We have National Commission for Women. Again, it was established in the year 1992. The headquarters is located in New Delhi. Then National Commission for Women Act was passed in the year 1990, due to which this National Commission for Women was established. And this commission has the power to investigate and examine all matters relating to women and to submit reports with recommendations for the effective implementation or safeguards to be provided as per the provisions of Constitution. So it's all about inquiry or investigation. Whenever women's rights are violated, this commission takes action against such violations. Along with that, we have Maharashtra State Commission for Women. The way we have commission at central level, same way we have commission for women at different state levels. So here, Maharashtra established a state commission under an act of state legislature in the year 1993 on the lines of the National Commission for Women. The commission was constituted in tune with the policy of state to promote rights of women in the state and to prevent atrocities, discriminatory practices, and other crimes that affect on the dignity of women. So here we can say whatever discrimination is being done against a women, that women can approach to this commission. Whatever dignity women has to be protected. If the dignity of the women is violated, then of course, again, State Commission for Women will intervene over there. So this is one more act or one more mechanism which guarantees that human rights are protected through these all mechanisms in India. So for now, let's conclude this topic over here and see you in next video. Thank you.